Out here at Lake McIntosh for the first time. We'll see what it's about. We got the giant boat loaded up, waiting on Black Bill Dance to come. Haven't been here before. It look nice though. I guess you can fish off that pier. I don't know if there's really any bait fish in here, but we're gonna have some fun. I love the scenery. Look how pretty that is. I said just to get away and relax, clear your head, catch some big fish, a lot of fish, and just enjoy it. You don't come across these opportunities that much in life, so you might as well take advantage of them while you can. Love it, love it, love it, love it. I'm giving you some fishing tips later on today. Stay tuned. But yeah, waiting on Bill Dance to come up here. He should have been here about 10 minutes ago, but still waiting. I'll show you what I'm working with today. I got a night crawler on there right now. So using the night crawlers. Yeah, I got a jig on there right now. I'm just playing around with them, just see what's out here. Yeah, Bill Dance finally decided to join us. Yeah, trying it out, seeing what it look like. So there might be some bass right there. So we're trying that area right there. What those things are, like some eggs on the tree or something. Never seen before. One of them actually got hooked on my thing. If you know what it is, put a comment in the section and let us know what it is. Leave some comments, let us know what it is. Another day, nice size. Alright. Caught that on a court, one line, night crawler. About to catch 20 more and call it a day. Look at this man hard at work. I'm going fishing. Bill Dance today. One. It's a nice size one too. Don't pull them in. I can't. What do you mean you can't? Drop your rod, reel it in some more and swing them over. Drop your rod in. John. I'm trying to tell you, man. I'm trying to get on my lunch box. He about to get off. Good catch, boy. Dang. I told you. Wait a minute. Nah, you ought to worry about your lunch box. Keep reeling it. I'm trying, John. And get it in the boat this time. Told you, man, something was right there. I might you acting like you got some. See, it's not biting. It's not fighting. If it ain't fighting, you hung then. Yeah, you hung. Is it moving though? See how it's letting up? Ah, dang, I wasn't even for it. Come on now, John. I didn't did all that work for nothing. That ain't good. Look how big that thing is. That's the red hook too. Biting now. All them beauties. It's 4 of them bad boys. Yeah, I'm getting it right. I'm gonna ride in the water. Dang, I saw it falling over. We done caught some more. Dang. Did some work today. One, two, three. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Told you it was 10.